need to be over here.
Peyton, it's fine. McKenna, go. Oh my God, you did it!
I did it. Okay, wait, where's the other one?
It's over there.
Oh my God.
Hurry up! You're...
Okay, wait.
You're at 40 seconds.
What were you at?
I don't know. Having trouble there.
I'm a little stuck.
You're talking. This is why we don't